Imagine waking up one morning and realizing that something sitting quietly in your kitchen right now could be influencing your health far more than you ever imagined. Not a rare supplement, not an expensive prescription, but a simple, everyday ingredient you have probably overlooked for years. And what makes this even more surprising is that many people use it regularly without ever knowing its full potential, especially as the body changes with age. Small imbalances start to appear. Digestion slows down, joints feel stiffer, energy levels dip, and suddenly you're dealing with issues that seem to come out of nowhere. Now, here is the part most people never think about. What if some of those problems are quietly connected to something as simple as your body's internal balance? And what if there was a way to gently support that balance using something you already have at home? Baking soda may seem ordinary, but under the surface, it has properties that can influence how your body handles acid, inflammation, and even how certain systems respond to stress over time. And this is where things start to get interesting, because research over the years has shown that small, controlled uses of this compound can create noticeable changes in how the body feels and functions, especially for seniors who are more sensitive to internal shifts. Now, before you jump to any conclusions, it is important to understand this is not about replacing medical care or creating unrealistic expectations. This is about understanding how small daily choices can support your body in ways that are often ignored. And in this video, you're going to discover a series of effects that have been observed when baking soda is used correctly and safely. And one of these may completely change how you think about simple home remedies, especially when it comes to comfort, digestion, and overall well-being. But there is something you need to pay close attention to, because using it the wrong way can completely cancel out the potential benefits, and in some cases, even create unwanted effects. So, as you listen, stay focused, because one of the upcoming insights has surprised even experienced researchers due to how quickly it can influence the body's response. And you'll want to know exactly how that works before trying anything yourself. And as we move forward, you might start recognizing some of the signs in your own daily routine, small discomforts you may have ignored or accepted as normal parts of aging. But what if they are not as fixed as they seem? What if they are signals your body is sending, asking for better balance and support? And once you understand that, the perspective shifts completely. Now, think about those moments after a heavy meal, when your chest feels tight or there's a burning sensation rising slowly, creating discomfort that lingers longer than it should. This is something many people experience and often brush aside, but over time, it can point to deeper imbalances in how the body is handling acid. And this is where a simple reaction inside your stomach can make a difference. When a small amount of baking soda is introduced in the right way, it interacts with excess acid, creating a neutralizing effect that can bring quick relief. And that reaction is not just theoretical, it is something you can actually feel as it happens. But what matters most is not just the relief itself, but what it represents: a shift back toward balance. And when that balance is supported consistently, the body has an easier time maintaining comfort without constant strain. And this is just one example, because similar patterns appear in other areas as well, like when the body feels unusually fatigued, or when there's a sense of heaviness after meals, or even when sleep does not feel as restorative as it once did. Each of these can sometimes be linked to how internal systems are managing acidity and inflammation. And while the connection may not always be obvious, it becomes clearer when you start paying attention to how small changes affect how you feel. And this is why the next part is so important, because it reveals a pattern that many people overlook completely. And once you see it, you cannot unsee it. The body is constantly working to maintain a delicate balance. And when that balance shifts even slightly, it can influence everything from digestion to muscle function to overall comfort. And what is fascinating is how quickly certain adjustments can begin to support that balance when done correctly. But again, this is where caution matters, because more is not better, and understanding the right approach is what separates benefit from risk. And as you continue listening, you will begin to connect these ideas in a way that feels practical, not complicated, not overwhelming, just simple awareness applied in the right way. And by the time you reach the next section, you may already start thinking differently about how everyday habits influence long-term health without needing drastic changes or complicated routines. And one subtle detail that often gets overlooked is how the body responds when pressure is removed rather than when something new is added, because most people assume improvement comes from adding more supplements, more effort, more rules, when in reality the body often improves fastest when a small source of internal strain is reduced. And this is especially true as we age because the margin for error becomes smaller and the body communicates discomfort more clearly, and when that communication is respected rather than ignored, systems begin to cooperate. Again, digestion feels calmer, breathing becomes deeper, and even mental tension can ease slightly without you actively trying to relax. And this is important because chronic low-level stress inside the body often keeps multiple systems in a guarded state. And once that guard drops, even a little resources can be redirected toward repair and stabilization. And this redirection happens quietly, without dramatic signals, which is why many people miss it at first. But over time, that quiet shift becomes noticeable in how steady you feel throughout the day and how quickly your body returns to baseline after minor discomforts. Now consider another situation that many people experience but rarely connect to: internal balance, that uncomfortable feeling of pressure or bloating that seems to appear even after a normal meal. It can make you feel sluggish, distracted, and sometimes even reduce your desire to eat properly over time. And while it may seem minor at first, repeated episodes, it can affect how your body absorbs nutrients and maintains energy levels throughout the day. What makes this more interesting is how certain reactions inside the digestive system can either ease or worsen this sensation, depending on how they are managed. And this is where a carefully controlled approach can make a noticeable difference. When a mild alkaline compound interacts with excess acidity, it can create a gentle release of trapped gas, reducing pressure and restoring comfort. And while the science behind this involves chemical reactions, the experience itself is simple. You feel lighter, more relaxed, and less restricted. In this effect is not limited to digestion alone, because similar principles apply when the body deals with muscle fatigue or stiffness, especially after physical activity or even after long periods of sitting. As the body produces certain byproducts during movement, these can accumulate and contribute to soreness, making recovery slower and less efficient. And this is where buffering that internal environment can support faster recovery, allowing muscles to relax and return to normal function more smoothly. And over time, this can influence how active and comfortable you feel during daily routines. But again, the key factor here is moderation and understanding, because using something without awareness can quickly turn helpful into harmful. And this is why it is essential to approach these methods with clarity, not assumptions. And as you continue listening, you may begin to notice patterns in your own experiences, moments where discomfort appeared without a clear cause, or times when small adjustments seem to create unexpected relief. These are not coincidences, they are signals, and learning to interpret them can give you a stronger sense of control over your well-being without relying entirely on external solutions. And this leads to another important point that often goes unnoticed: the relationship between internal balance and how the body responds to irritation, whether it is on the skin or within certain systems. When that balance is disrupted, sensitivity can increase, making reactions more intense and longer lasting, and restoring that balance can sometimes reduce those responses, allowing the body to calm down more effectively. And this is where simple external applications can also play a role, supporting the skin and maintaining its natural environment and reducing irritation without harsh chemicals. But just like internal use, this also requires proper understanding, because not every situation is the same, and recognizing when to use something and when to avoid it is just as important as the method itself. And as we move deeper into this discussion, another layer begins to appear, one that connects these individual effects into a broader picture of how the body maintains stability over time and how small, consistent actions can support that process in ways that are often underestimated. And once you see this connection, it becomes easier to make choices that align with your body's natural tendencies rather than working against them. And this shift in perspective can be more powerful than any single remedy, because it changes how you approach your daily habits and the awareness you bring to them. Another layer to this experience is how repeated digestive discomfort subtly shapes daily behavior without us realizing it. because when the body expects bloating or pressure, it begins to anticipate discomfort, which can alter how quickly you eat, how much you move after meals, and even how deeply you breathe. And these small behavioral changes can reinforce the problem over time, creating a cycle that feels normal but is not optimal. And when internal balance is gently supported, that cycle can slowly unwind. Meals stop feeling like an event you need to recover from, posture improves naturally, and movement feels less restricted. And this matters because digestion does not happen in isolation. It influences circulation, nerve signaling, and even mood. And when the digestive system operates with less resistance, the entire body benefits in small, cumulative ways that add up over weeks rather than hours. And this gradual improvement is often more sustainable than sudden relief because it teaches the body a new normal instead of forcing a temporary change. As you continue to explore this idea further, it becomes clear that the body is not just reacting randomly to discomfort, but is constantly adjusting and adapting based on the environment you create through your daily habits. And one of the most overlooked aspects of this environment is the balance between acidity and alkalinity within different systems of the body. And while this may sound technical, its effects are very real, influencing everything from how efficiently your organs function to how resilient your body feels during periods of stress or fatigue. And when this balance begins to shift too far in one direction, subtle signs can start to appear long before any major issue develops. You might notice changes in energy levels, slower recovery from minor strains, or even fluctuations in how your body handles common irritations. And what is interesting is how these signs are often dismissed as normal aging, when in reality, they may simply reflect an imbalance that can be gently supported with the right approach. And this is where consistency becomes more important than intensity, because small, regular adjustments tend to produce more stable results compared to occasional extreme changes. And over time, these small adjustments can influence how your body maintains equilibrium, allowing it to respond more effectively to everyday challenges. And this is particularly relevant when considering how the body manages waste products and maintains internal cleanliness. As certain compounds build up, they can place additional strain on organs responsible for filtering and elimination, and supporting these processes can help reduce that burden, making overall function smoother and more efficient. And while there are many ways to approach this, one of the simplest is ensuring that the internal environment does not become overly acidic, which can interfere with normal processes. And this is where a mild neutralizing effect can provide support, not by forcing change, but by assisting the body in returning to its preferred state. And this subtle assistance can have a ripple effect, influencing multiple systems simultaneously, which is why some individuals report improvements in areas that seem unrelated at first glance. And this interconnected nature of the body is what makes these small adjustments so intriguing, because they do not target just one symptom, they support the underlying balance that influences many of them. And as you begin to recognize this pattern, it becomes easier to understand why certain simple practices have persisted over time, even without widespread attention, because their value lies not in dramatic immediate results, but in the steady support they provide when used correctly and responsibly. And this brings us to a critical point that cannot be ignored. Understanding your own body's signals and limitations is essential, because what works for one person may need to be adjusted for another, depending on individual conditions and sensitivities. And this is why awareness and observation are key components of any approach you choose to follow, allowing you to make informed decisions based on how your body responds rather than relying solely on general advice. That it also helps to recognize that the body often prioritizes stability over performance, which means it will tolerate inefficiency as long as it can maintain balance. And this tolerance is why imbalances can persist for years without obvious warning signs. And when support is introduced in a way that aligns with the body's natural preferences, that tolerance is no longer necessary, and systems begin to operate with less internal friction. And this reduced friction can influence how clearly you think, how patiently you respond to stress, and how quickly you recover from small physical challenges. And these effects may not feel dramatic, but they are meaningful, because they change the baseline from which your body operates. And once that baseline shifts upward, many everyday activities require less effort than before. By now, you may already be seeing how these ideas connect, forming a larger picture of how small, overlooked factors can influence your overall well-being in ways that are both subtle and significant. And this is where the real value lies, not in any single effect, but in the combined impact of supporting your body's natural balance across multiple systems. And when this support becomes part of your routine, even in small ways, it can create a foundation for better comfort, more stable energy, and improved resilience over time. And one of the most powerful aspects of this approach is how accessible it is, requiring no complex routines or expensive interventions, just a clear understanding of how to apply it correctly and consistently. And as you think about your own daily habits, consider how often small discomforts are ignored or accepted without question, and how different things might feel if those signals were addressed early with simple supportive actions rather than waiting until they become more pronounced. And this shift in approach can change not only how you feel physically, but also how confident you become in managing your own well-being, because it replaces uncertainty with awareness and reactive decisions with intentional choices. And this is especially important as the body becomes more sensitive to changes with age, making consistency and balance even more valuable than before. And while it is easy to look for quick solutions, the reality is that lasting improvements often come from understanding and supporting the body's natural processes rather than trying to override them. And this is exactly where simple compounds with well-understood properties can play a role, offering gentle assistance without overwhelming the system when used appropriately. And as you move forward with this knowledge, remember that the goal is not perfection, but awareness, making small adjustments, observing how your body responds, and refining your approach over time. And this process does not require drastic changes, just attention and consistency. And as you apply these ideas, you may begin to notice subtle shifts in how you feel throughout the day, from improved comfort after meals to more stable energy levels, and even a greater sense of control over minor irritations that once seemed unavoidable. And these changes may start small, but they can build over time, creating a noticeable difference in your overall quality of life. And that is ultimately what matters most, not chasing dramatic transformations, but supporting steady, sustainable improvements that allow you to stay active, comfortable, and confident in your daily routine. And if there is one thing to take away from everything you have heard, it is this: your body is constantly working to maintain balance. And when you learn how to support that process, even in simple ways, you give yourself a powerful advantage that goes far beyond any single remedy and becomes part of a smarter, more aware approach to health and well-being. One final point to consider is how confidence in your body affects long-term outcomes. Because when you trust that your body can return to balance, you are less likely to panic over minor symptoms and more likely to respond calmly and appropriately. And this calm response prevents overcorrection, which is a common cause of new problems, especially with home remedies. And as awareness grows, you begin to notice patterns more clearly: what helps, what aggravates, and what truly makes a difference over time. And this awareness becomes a skill that improves with use, allowing you to make better decisions without relying solely on external advice. And that skill is one of the most valuable tools you can develop, because it supports not just physical comfort, but peace of mind as well.